For some supercar owners, there can only be one brand. In the case of McLaren, loyal customers have coveted the 720S as one of the most attractive designs the company has ever released. Next year, we will see McLaren deliver a model that effectively improves and evolves every aspect of the 720S. Welcome to Street Beasts, home of the most inspiring vehicles on the planet. Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 McLaren 750S, the final non-hybrid supercar the company will produce. Based on the iconic 720S, the 750 is faster, lighter, more focused, and even a bit more handsome than its predecessor. Now, it's by no means a dramatic departure, but the improvements McLaren has made could make enthusiasts reconsider buying a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Aston Martin. Rather than building an entirely new vehicle, McLaren went about perfecting the existing technologies, in doing so taking the 750 to a higher level of performance and driving experience. According to Jamie Castor-Finn, Director of Product Strategy at McLaren Automotive, the 750S was a difficult challenge because they wanted to bring a significant degree of McLaren's long-tail agility, feel, and feedback while ensuring that comfort and usability were not compromised. To do so, they had to make some critical improvements. So, what's new with the 750S? McLaren has announced that the 750S bears improvements over 30% of the car and surpasses the 720 in all areas of performance. Perhaps its greatest area of change is improvements to its suspension and chassis, allowing for weight reduction while improving responsiveness and handling at higher speeds. That said, its carbon fiber monocoque construction enables a dry weight of 2,815 pounds, about 66 pounds lighter than the 720. It is available both as a hardtop coupe or Spider, with the Spider only about 100 pounds heavier than the coupe, thanks to its composite retractable hardtop and carbon fiber upper structure. Chief Engineer Andy Holford explains that the revamped 4.4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine runs with a higher boost pressure, with an all-new twin fuel pump producing 740 horsepower and 590 pound-foot of torque. In fact, it's the lightest and most powerful series production McLaren in history. The re-engineered V8 also features a flat-plane crankshaft, dry sump lubrication, electronic turbochargers, and lightweight connecting rods to keep the excitement flowing. McLaren has put the high-strung turbo V8 and 7-speed sequential automatic gearbox to good use. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds, and 0 to 186 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. Safe to say, the 750S is quick, and the Spider is said to achieve a 206 mph top speed. Since it weighs less than the 720, it has an exceptional power-to-weight ratio of 579 horsepower per ton. Everything about the McLaren 750S is focused on optimizing performance while maintaining usability. It has a 6mm wider front track than that of the 720, as well as lighter suspension components. In addition, McLaren's latest proactive chassis control PCM3 utilizes semi-active dampers, new coil springs, and a hydraulic roll circuit instead of conventional mechanical anti-roll bars. The result is a compliant yet driver-focused ride, qualities McLaren supercars are known for. Meanwhile, the 750S has anchors borrowed from the Trackstar Senna, while an optional track brake upgrade delivers carbon ceramic discs and monoblock front calipers. Holford further explains that the new centrally mounted exhaust is lighter and more throaty than that of the 720S. It even works in tandem with the newly modified rear wing, with 20% greater surface area, as well as the specially designed mesh tail end to pull hot air from the engine cavity and achieve higher downforce on those ultra-sticky Pirelli P0 tires. The carbon brakes are up to 60% stronger and have 4 times the thermal conductivity, a recipe that diminishes brake fade and pad wear. Finally, the standard front lift system reacts a full 6 seconds faster than that of the 720S. While the 720 still holds a place among the most attractive modern McLarens, the new 750 takes its sleek and sophisticated lines to a new level. Inside, the robust new center-mounted screen handles infotainment and comes loaded with the latest tech, such as Apple CarPlay. Most useful, however, the driver's side instrument housing offers rockers that allow for making all necessary adjustments without ever removing your hands from the wheel. With its improved power output, reduced weight, and finely tuned performance hardware, the new 750S achieves a true balance between performance and drivability. In the end, whether or not the car has reinvented the wheel, it's an undeniable step up in performance and a fitting addition to the McLaren pedigree. But you tell us, at around $325,000, is the 750S worthy of excitement or a bit disappointing? Thanks for watching Street Beasts. Keep it here for the next deep dive into the world of supercar technology. Till next time.